Collective, let's see what's going on with the person on your mind. What the energy is. We have the Hierophant. Someone is thinking of marriage. Okay, we have the Hangman as well. This decision is something which they have thought about a lot. This person wants to ask your hand in marriage. This person wants to settle down with you. And I'm not picking up on living together, or I'm not picking up on like, let's date and let's see where this goes. No, this person wants to marry you, and this person is stuck in this energy, like they cannot get this out of their mind, like they are constantly thinking about the things that you would do together and how would you be as a partner. This person is constantly in that energy where they think about you as a partner, as a wife, as a husband, and they're constantly entertaining that thought. It's becoming like an escape in their mind, where they just go to this fantasy world where you are their other half and you live together and you're legally married on paper. Like, the small things, they matter to them a lot. Like, someone addressing you as their wife or their husband. Tarot is gender neutral, so just take how it resonates. So all of these things are just like ruminating in their mind. And this has been going on for a very long time. This energy has been stuck for a very long time. We have the Temperance. This person has thought about it a lot. Like, this is not something which they have decided over a matter of weeks. I'm picking up on someone who has thought about it for almost a year or like maybe more. This person is in this energy where they really want to make this work with you. And they think that you are the type of individual they can imagine a future with. Like, it's not difficult for them to it's not difficult for them to run away from it. Like, this person might have a habit of escaping things. They like to escape from difficult situations, difficult relationships. And you are one of those individuals in their life where they don't think they want to run away from you. They feel like every problem that you and this person have, it can be solved, it can be resolved, because there's the effort is equal. You both like each other equally. Love is there, but like the likeness, the qualities, you both understand each other. This person is fantasizing a lot about like being married to you. This person is fantasizing about building something very stable, you know, building something which is going to last long. We have the Six of Pentacles in reverse. Tell me more about this. What is going on? And we have the Ten of Wands. You know what I'm picking up on? This person is it's a chapter in their life which is ending. This person is leaving something behind before they come forward and ask you for this hand of marriage. Like, they have to leave a lot of things behind. And for a lot of y'all, this person has to leave a lot of negative situations and mindset. This person has to cut off a lot of people to be totally devoted to you, totally committed to you. So these might be third parties, but this can also be a situation where this person is involved in a job or a toxic lifestyle. This person is leaving something behind and they actually love this thing. So it's like a difficult decision for them. It's a difficult decision for them. But they are in the process of leaving it. So it's not like you are forcing them to leave it, and that's the best part. They have actually decided for themselves that they need to leave this in order for the marriage to work out. So it's a very mature decision, and this person is not used to taking mature decisions. So they're very surprised by it. I'm picking up on someone's energy who knows that this is a big shift, this is a big transformation, but they are excited for it. And usually they don't get excited for adult things like, adulting. They don't get excited for it, but this particular thing really excites them. We have the Ace of Swords. I'm telling the truth. You know what I'm picking up on? Like, this person was never really sure of settling down with someone, but like, this thought doesn't leave their mind, because now they used to think that marriage is a trap. They used to feel that marriage is something which bonds you, or marriage is something which is not going to serve them in the long run. It's not going to work out for them. Basically, they're not marriage material. That's what they used to think. But now They are in this energy where they actually feel that it's good for them. Yeah, they actually feel that they have found their person, they have found someone they would like to settle down with. And that's the clarity that they have received. They feel, they feel relieved as well. Like they're not settling for less, or they're not settling for someone just because they have to marry someone. It's not like that. It's a well thought decision. This person has thought about it for a very long time. Give me more. What's going on in this person's mind? Can you tell me more about it? We have the Page of Swords. Can you tell me more? What's going on in this person's mind? We have the Moon in reverse, and we have the King of Pentacles in reverse. This person might have a few questions for you. For a lot of y'all, this person is realizing that you're not what you say you are, in a way where this person judged you on the exterior, and this person thought of you negatively. This person thought of you as someone who is greedy and selfish, someone who wants the quick way out, like you want a quick paycheck, something like that. There's something about your financial situation which had this person in a puzzle. Maybe what you do for work is unconventional, maybe what you do for what your dreams are is unconventional, and this person is receiving a lot of clarity about it. With the Moon in reverse to the King of Pentacles, this person is changing their opinion, this person is changing their perspective around it. We have the Page of Swords, and this is something which happened with time. I think this person is observing you since a very long time, and day by day they realize the the layers of you, how different you are as a person. With the Moon in reverse and the King of Pentacles in reverse, this is something which is revealed to them. Maybe there was a misunderstanding about a particular relationship in your past. I'm picking up on a ex relationship. They want to ask you something about that situation, but for a lot of y'all, about your job. You don't have a conventional job, you don't have a conventional source of income, and they want to talk to you about it. This person wants more clarity about how you think of the future, what you think will work out for you, something like that, because that's an important that's also a blockage, but that's very important for them in marriage. This person is thinking about it. This person is thinking about something related to money and financial well-being. We have the Ten of Cups in reverse, and we have the Ten of Swords in reverse. You know what? Like what I'm picking up on, this is someone who is not going to make a hasty decision and give you false hopes. Okay, when I say false hopes, this is not someone who is going to come forward and love bomb you or make you feel as if they are serious about the connection and then they would back off. Like this person is not going to make this happen. This person is only going to come forward when they get more clarity about this. Once they get more clarity about this, once this blockage gets removed, this person is going to feel much more comfortable in coming forward and telling you the truth about how they feel. This person doesn't want to build castles in air and then the castles disappear overnight. This happens. This I'm picking up on someone who is very moody. I'm picking up on someone who lives in extremes. This can be you, this can be them, but this extreme energy is also because this person is so connected to you. There's so much meaning attached to this relationship in their mind that they don't want to just come forward and promise you things and just like leave. They don't want to do that. They want to come forward and stay in one energy, stay in the energy of making this work, not being in this energy where they don't know what to expect and what not to expect. Can you tell me the future actions of this person, please? Can you tell me the future actions of this person? We have the Tower. This person is going to do something which is going to be very out of their character. This person is going to come in your life with, like, you wouldn't expect it. Like, you would be in this energy that this is something from the past. I don't think this person is ever going to approach me again because I don't think they are, like, they are interested in me. Wow, we have the Ace of Pentacles to the Ten of Pentacles. This person is going to come back in your life during a time like the timing would be similar. Like you will step into an opportunity, a financial opportunity, and some money blessing is going to come in your life, and that is when this person is going to come in your life, and you wouldn't expect it. You wouldn't expect it. You would be in this, you would be celebrating in this money energy. You would be very happy. Something you're working towards is going to come to full fruition. You are, we have the Ten of Pentacles to the Ace of Pentacles. This is very good energy. Something is going to come to full fruition. You're going to get into a lot of money, and then this person is going to come out of the blue and tell you everything, because there is some blockage around financial situation. So that might be something personal to you. You know, something about your financial situation is a blockage in this situation. Okay, that's all I have for you. Thank you so much for tuning in. I'll see you in the next reading. Bye bye.